Another big opportunity is in transportation. Dozens of major companies in the United States and China are racing to develop vertical takeoff and landing vehicles for families and individuals. Just as the United States led the automotive revolution in the last century, I want to ensure that America, not China, leads this revolution in air mobility. These breakthroughs can transform commerce, bring a giant infusion of wealth into rural America, and connect families in our country in new ways.
This will ensure infrastructure investors mobilize billions in capital to underwrite intelligent infrastructure economic zones. U.S. Senator Mike Lee has introduced the Drone Integration and Zoning Act to accelerate the path to commerce and ensure the United States leads the world with advanced air mobility.
New era we're entering in. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.
What does it mean to be passionate? This is what hard-working men and women do that care about their communities and want to fight and bring this country back and make it just as great as it was the country that we grew up in. We want that for our own kids.
For our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G.
We know that services like artificial intelligence, spatial computing, intelligent transportation, and autonomous systems will require an intelligent infrastructure to support scaled adoption. National sovereignty and global productivity will go to the nation that deploys the intelligent infrastructure enabling Industry 4.0.